Hi, my name is Raisya Nuraida from 12 Science 5, number 30, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple ice Milo. So, let's get started.
The ingredients that you need is 1 pack of Milo, ice, hot water, glass, a water, and a spoon. Now we move on to making it. First, pour Milo powder into the glass. You can add more sugar if it's not sweet enough. Stir it until it makes it well. Next, pour the water. And lastly, add ice cubes.
And we're done. Now you can enjoy your drinks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Cheers.